See, this limit switch is placed here and same here. Means if this router will move left and right, this is the stop limits for this one. Now next I will add the limit switch at the bottom to forward and reverse stop. Here I have a piece of wood. It is length is cut as per the matching desired. So I cut a wood piece. I will fix it here in the bottom. So what will happen here, I will fix two limit switch. When this move forward and reverse, I will switch one piece here top and in the bottom end. So this limit switch will touch here and it will give stop to the CNC machine, so it will not hit at the end.